Angel alert! SunWest is continuing to slash turn times. Just weeks after announcing the 1-hour condition review time, SunWest is reviewing over 70% of conditions in under 40 minutes. From wherever you're at, drop your conditions into Morgan and don't miss a minute. At SunWest, we're continuously innovating because we believe your true home is always with it.
Loan originators at SunWest are free from origination details and stress. You too can be limitless and have it all. We don't have a pyramid of layers, and all of the commission is yours. All I want to do is make you money.
Welcome to The Interest. I'm Katie Jensen. Unfortunately, we saw 3 weeks of gains in originations wiped out last week, but we're still getting some positive ammunition you can use to build your pipeline back up. We'll have more on those numbers coming up, but first, perhaps the most important thing you can do for yourself right now is marketing. Because of course, buyers can't get their loans with you if they don't know you exist. So how do you make sure you're reaching the next wave of home buyers? And how do you craft your message so you're telling them exactly what they want to hear? Our own Christine Stewart gives a look at how tech can help solve these questions for you.
I would say, 2023 is really what I'll call kind of a return to normalcy.
We've returned to a purchase market with refi activity down 80% from last year, and economists think the market will rebound in the middle of this year, creating the opportunity for more purchase loans. That's certainly what Total Expert Chief Lending Officer Dan Catanella heard at a recent MBA conference.
But I think the thing that surprised me most was the level of optimism that everybody had there.
But are you ready to cash in when things turn around? Originators are turning more and more to automation to help find and close loans faster, and that includes marketing.
A traditional lender has, point of sale system, a loan origination system, and they really need an enterprise, marketing automation system.
If marketing's not your forte, automated systems like Total Expert can help take care of that for you. Catanella says his system can help the sales team take data and turn it into marketing that targets the latest home buying trends.
They all have massive databases of past customers, prospects, and turning that database into an appreciating asset.
The same marketing information can also help originators know which borrowers to seek out and how to talk with them.
Making sure that they're engaging, kind of the next generation home buyers, millennials and Gen Zs and the channels that they exist in.
You can learn more about automated marketing on The Principal, the Mortgage News Network's daily podcast, available wherever you get your podcast. For the Mortgage News Network, I'm Christine Stewart.
Coming up, some promising numbers you can use to get your borrowers off the sidelines and back into the market.
Morgan of SunWest Mortgage is here to change the world of loan originations forever. From sending updates to your clients to allowing you more time, you can do it all in a simple chat. You no longer have to struggle with documents. All you need to do is select the files and upload them, and they're submitted in an instant along with your loan file. With SunWest, your true home is always within.
Welcome back. We're still seeing some positive numbers you can use to help with borrowers who are reluctant to buy a home. According to Realtor.com, inventory rose and price growth continued to level off in January. Active listings grew by 65% since January of 2021. But the figure is still down more than 43% from its pre-pandemic high. Realtor.com did note a lot of viewings are coming from buyers who want to move to new metros. Across the top 100 metros, more than half of viewings were by consumers who were shopping in a market other than their current one. Even with these improvements, mortgage applications fell off last week after 3 weeks of gains. Realtor.com chief economist Daniel Hale also noted that, quote, these trends reinforce that while buyers are gaining an advantage in the market, they are still being deterred by high home prices and financing costs. But we're still seeing some improvements there too. As mortgage rates continue to slip back down, according to Freddie Mac, the average for the 30-year fixed is now just under 6.1%. This is the lowest rates have been since September. And for home buyers, that means they're getting more home for their dollar. According to Redfin, the potential home buyer earning $2,500 a month can now get a $400,000 home for the first time since summer. Buying power is now up 7% since November, when affordability was at its worst. Hopefully, these numbers can get some buyers back in the game. But we still got a long way to go for many of those who have been priced out by the market. Redfin noted that buyers still have $95,000 less in spending power than they did a year ago. We'll be right back with what else is interesting today.
I had to watch him go from so capable to a different person altogether, and it was really hard. We're hoping that this message gets to veterans out there who are in similar struggles. That's how fast Southwest worked. It was truly amazing. It makes me very happy to know that there's a company out there that cares so much, that they go through so much to help, because we never expected this. Never.
SunWest understands that your success is built one family at a time. Visit sunwestpartners.com.
Welcome back. Here's what else is interesting today. And the labor market continues its strong run. The U.S. economy added 517,000 jobs in January, smashing the Dow Jones estimate of 187,000. The unemployment rate fell 3.4%, the lowest mark in nearly 53 years. This report comes just days after Fed Chairman Jerome Powell expressed concerns that the job market remains hot. NBA chief economist Mike Fratantoni says this will likely mean the Fed will remain focused on addressing inflation with 25 basis point hikes. But he also says unemployment numbers tend to lag, and he expects the rate will increase throughout 2023. For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to mortgagenewsnetwork.com.